Let's make a delicious mushroom risotto that even beginners can master. Italian cuisine is all about simple ingredients creating rich flavors, and this recipe is no exception. Here's a concise guide to making a classic mushroom risotto, perfect for those new to the kitchen and Italian food enthusiasts. First, gather your ingredients. Arborio rice, fresh mushrooms, vegetable broth, Parmesan cheese, garlic, onion, butter, and olive oil. Start by heating your vegetable broth in a separate pot. Keep it warm over low heat. In a large pan, heat olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. Add chopped onions and garlic, sautéing until translucent. Add the mushrooms and cook until they're soft and browned. Remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add a bit more oil and the arborio rice. Stir for 2 minutes until the rice is slightly toasted. Begin adding the warm broth to the rice, 1 ladle at a time, stirring constantly. Wait until the broth is mostly absorbed before adding the next ladle. Once the rice is al dente, creamy, and thick, about 18 minutes, add the cooked mushrooms back in. Stir in grated Parmesan cheese and a knob of butter for richness. Serve hot, garnished with a sprinkle of Parmesan and fresh parsley if desired. Embrace the joy of Italian cooking with this simple yet delicious mushroom risotto. Buon appetito!